Today's video is about hip-hop superstar Drake sending out birthday wishes and saying that he's blessed to know Popcaan. After all the posts on social media, we could have only come to one conclusion, that there's a real friendship between Popcaan and Drake. Here are some videos of them hanging out.
Anthony, Aubrey,
They are just me.
Andre.
Get up.
What? Get the kid them crazy now. Unruly cause no
Wicked.
Fully out up. Bossy mad now.
Wickedness increase now. Boy dead, my skull hotter than a boy leg. Me no fire shot in a boy leg. Jalapine pack up in a boy head. Boy dead now. News spread.
The friendship came to the forefront when both collaborated on a single called Controller that had social media buzzing and sparked much controversy. Drake also gave Popcaan a dub plate which he used to kill Wiz Khalifa at the Red Bull Culture Clash, which basically brought the curtains down and assisted in the win for Mixpac. Here's a sample of that video.
All the respect, Drizzy Drake, put up your fucking hands like this. Fuck Wiz Khalifa. Yeah, this is the fucking one.
Throughout the whole Drake and Mr. Vegas fiasco, when Mr. Vegas called Drake a fake and labeled him a culture vulture, Popcaan came to Drake's defense and put out this video aimed at Mr. Vegas, telling him to leave his brother alone. Here's a video for those of us who did not see it before.
Mr. Vegas, what you gonna do here now?
You
turn off ya now. You can't violate Drizzy Drake here now.
get one off you now.
Things you gonna jump here now. Listen me now.
Pick you now.
Don't try to violate my brother now. You don't know anything about unruly or OVO. You don't need to defend Popcaan.
Drake rewarded all of Popcaan's kind gestures and loyalty when he took to Instagram on Popcaan's birthday and shared an heartfelt tribute. This is what the post read. Happy birthday, unruly boss. Blessed to know you. Blessed for the wisdom you share. Blessed for the music you create. Blessed to witness the rise of a legend at Popcaan Music. This post by Drake received over 250,000 likes and at least 1,400 comments. In celebration of his own birthday, Popcaan also launched his own brand of emojis. Among these is a woman holding a Bible believed to be his mother, a Christian woman, Miss Rona, and another one that looks like his sister. This highlight and endorsement from rap's biggest star, Drake, is a good look for Popcaan and indirectly Dancehall, as Drake has millions of followers on his social media handles, and each time he makes a post, it has the potential to be seen by millions of fans who out of curiosity might want to check out Popcaan and Dancehall on a whole. Although I respect the endorsement by Drake, what I really want to hear is collaborations by Drake and Popcaan. Forget all about those crumbs, even though we should all be thankful for small blessings. What Popcaan and Dancehall really need is a slice of that big pie to be in the real big money game and give Dancehall its just due. People, what do you really think about this friendship between Popcaan and Drake? Is it a genuine friendship and Popcaan deserves to be rewarded for his loyalty and patience? Do you think that there are songs in the pipeline and we as Dancehall fans are just being too impatient? Or is Drake stalling Popcaan while gaining the Dancehall fan base? I am not saying Drake is desperate for fans, but more is always better. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.